Hello guys, welcome to day 68 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I learned how to create a slider, or it's called carousel, I think. It's another name of slider. So I learned how to create it, and now by create it I mean I watched videos about how to create it, and now I want to put some hands in practice and type some code so we can create a slider. Of course, I use Bootstrap for now because this is what I have learned right now, how to use Bootstrap for sliders. And so, by the way, guys, 332 days left, so to finish my challenge, and eventually I will become a full stack programmer, I hope, because I do the hard work right now. I am practicing. I learned a lot of things due to doing some codes, and partial of this I owe you guys, because when I started to learn programming and started this channel, a lot of you guys were programmers, professional programmers. You guys advised me to not only watching the videos for learning, but also I have to practice codes. So this will help me to memorizing codes much better. So if you watch my first videos, you see I was only showing myself trying to watch videos, but after I saw a lot of comments from you guys that told me to practice, not just watch videos, I decided to type codes, practicing, create my website, and this has helped me a lot. So thank you for your advices. This is very helpful. And let's go start creating our first slider. Okay, this is my contact page. The slider is in the portfolio page, but as you can see, there is no menu here. I have to put a menu here so I can change, navigate, so I can navigate between the pages of my website. So I have to create a menu here, but before that I am super excited to create the slider first, and then we come back here and we create the menus. So if I go in portfolio page of my website, we have already a menu here, but this is my slider. This orange rectangle supposed to be my slider, which back then, when I didn't know how to create the sliders, I just created an image, a orange rectangle. But now that I know how to create a slider, I'm going to replace this orange rectangle with a slider. Okay, enough talking. Let's go to Bootstrap site. Oh, one more thing that I want to try. Yesterday in my video in contact page, I tried to create a button, a blue button here, but it didn't work. I used Bootstrap, it didn't work. So let me show you what I mean. I went to docs and searched for button here. So I tried to use this button and this code. I copied and pasted this code into my website here at contact page. So this is the button. So I copied and pasted, but nothing has been changed. So I was thinking what happened, and I figured out two of you told me that I should check to see if my page connected to the bootstrap server. So back then I was thinking like I already put the CDN, which is a server of bootstrap, in my codes. But when I checked, I saw I didn't put it here. There is no CDN, right? Why is that? And why I thought that I have CDN codes here? Because I already put it in my other pages. I think I put it in HTML index page. I don't know. I remember I just copied and pasted the code somewhere in my codes, which I think I didn't. So it doesn't matter. Right now I know that the problem is I have to connect my page to Bootstrap. So the code is here at the main page of bootstrap.com. So I have to copy this and paste it here, I think, after the title, I think, right? And press Ctrl S. Let's see the results, if anything changed. Yes, as you can see, the button here has been changed, but we have issues. Everything gets bigger. Why is that? Because I used Bootstrap as well to create my what do you call it? This form. To create this form, I also used Bootstrap, and now when I connected my Bootstrap to server, it automatically changed the face, the appearance of my website, and this distract my my last codes. So I think I'm going to I'm thinking about should I still use the Bootstrap codes here, because it changed a lot of things, or maybe should I? Let's first check something here, inspector view, and see what's the problem. So I think I don't know if I resize the div tag here, is it change everything? So it's better to remove the Bootstrap server from here, because if you check, I already discipline everything, and it looks fine. I'm not complaining. It's okay. So something that I learned here is, if you want to use Bootstrap, use it before changing anything. So you will not get any problem. Okay, let's come back to our portfolio page. Created our slider. Now in the portfolio page, I'm going to add the CDN. I hope nothing get interrupted. Okay, we are okay. The title get bigger, description get bigger. Some of the words here has been changed by the fonts, but everything works well. It's great. Now let's search for slider, or slider. We don't have slider. Carousel. Yes, here it is. Which one should I use? This one looks good because we have something here. We can use these arrows as well. Now copy this code, and we should be very careful here. We have a rectangle, orange rectangle. Let's check it by inspector view. Oh, doesn't work. What is this? Okay. So what is this? It's an image, image tag. So if I change this image tag, I think a lot of things going to distract it, including this menu, because this menu is defined by its parent tag, which is this image tag. We have a problem here, serious problem. So let's check the codes. Portfolio page, the image tag. Let's see if we added some styles, CSS styles into image tag here. I don't think so. We have no style. So if I delete this or comment it, I always forget how can I comment something. What is the short key for it? Short key for comment in VS Code. On Windows, create a comment in VS Code the easy way, Control plus backslash. Okay. Control backslash. Okay. Control backslash. I hope I will remember that. Now let's add our new codes. Make some space here so we will figure it out what's happened here. Let's check the result. Oops. So we have a couple of problems. First, we need some image. Some image. The good thing is that my menu didn't change its place, its position. The bad thing is these three boxes has changed the position. So let's create 3 images, or I can say royalty free images. Royalty free images. Let's choose some images, 3 images for my website. I like to use cyberpunk stuff. I love cyberpunk worlds. It's great for programmers, isn't it? So are these royalty free? Royalty free cyberpunk art. Visit the website. Under a royalty free license. So these are royalty free. We can. I like this one. Oops. Create an account. How about just press the save as image for now. This one is cool as well. And I'm fascinated by this image. These are really cool. So maybe this one as well. Download image. Come on. Save image as desktop. Okay, we have 3 images right now. They are royalty free. Let's close this page, close this one, and closing this. So we have spaces to work. How much time we have? We have still 10 minutes time. And images. And now let's cut this image and put it in our project folder. So see my CV website, assets, Control V, changing the image names, image 1, cyber 1, cyber 2, cyber 3. Okay, now we have our images. So we have 3 spaces for our images. Assets, Cyberpunk 1, copy this one, replace it here, Cyberpunk 2, Cyberpunk 3. Okay. Control S, checking the results. This is cool, but too much spacing. It's big. We don't want that. Now we have to, I think we have to create height and width for our slider, or we can use something else in Bootstrap. I remember content, what it was called, containers. Yes, containers. So this table, what it do is help me to create a responsive div. So it will change its size by the size of our screen. If it's in mobile, it changes the size. If it's in desktop, it will change the size. So if I put all of this in div tag and name it container. Let me check if I have another container here. No, we don't have. Okay, if I create another div and put it the class container, it will fix the size of it, or it's already in the container, right? It's already in the div tag. Let me see if this div tag have something else. It's have a menu tag. Okay, let's change it to class container. Am I right? Container? Not container. Class container. Control S, results. It's cool. It's get better, right? But it's still too big. And one other problem we have, why we cannot change the slider. I mean, see another image. I think the problem is here. I have to go at the bootstrap page. I have to copy the script here. So the script, what this do is it's helped me to connect to JavaScript servers. Right. So after the link, I paste this one and Control S. Let's see if we fix the problem. Yes, we did it. I am a full stack programmer. We have a lot of work, but I feel great about it. We've done a lot of things here, but I want to make it smaller. The image should be smaller. Okay, smaller. So can I say the container should have a width and height. I hope this not will affect the menu, which the menu inside of this slider in a wrong way. Okay, so say container height 200 pixel width 600 pixel. Control S. It worked, but it's too small. We don't want that. And I hope I can do something that these 3 boxes doesn't move when I change the size of the slider. Let's say, can I say percentage here, like 50%? And 70%. Yes, you can say percent, and it looks good. And here I have the height is too much. The height is too much. Like I can say 30%. Why it didn't change the size? %? Nothing changed. Why is that? I think it is because it's because of this. We say the container in large devices or medium devices. In medium devices, I think like the desktop is the large devices, right? So in devices like laptop, it should be not less than 992 pixel. So this is creating the limitation, right? Let me think. Do I need to make it smaller? Make it wider? Actually, if I wanted to change the size of image, I could have changed this. If I want to change the size of slider, I could have changed the size of image, so it will automatically change the size of slider as well. But the image that I downloaded is already big, so I don't think we need to change it. But one more thing that we need to fix is these three boxes are stick to the downside, the bottom of our website. I think we have to get it some margin. Okay, so we have a div tag here, which conclude all of other tags. So a div tag called items. The item should have padding. Items, create a padding for it. Padding bottom. Padding bottom. 10% or 5%. Control S. Okay. 5% is not good. Let's make it 50%. Control S. Still didn't change, but it's a little bit better. But why we cannot change the size? Why we have problem here? Like if I say in pixel, like pixel, Control S, still didn't work. Maybe because we don't have spaces due to our sliders, but I don't think that would be the problem. How much time we have? Oh, we spent 30 minutes. Time flies. Okay guys, this is enough for today. I'm going to work on this problem tomorrow, that how can I change the size of everything here. And I use the container class here at the same time. Thank you for watching. See you guys tomorrow.